I think Mangwabe and Musamseleko are already divorced. Just because what we saw now on Utando Nestembu, they are already shoot on August. You understand? Those dramas are on August. They are already shoot, but now I think that Mangwabe and Musamseleko, they are already divorced because we have to see now season 9. You understand? On season 9, because it's season 8, it's last year. You understand? I think that Mangwabe and Musamseleku, they don't even stay together now. We don't even know because they have secrets, just because they want to shoot another season. You understand? Just because, guys, Utando Nestembu, okay, we have to saw those things they are shooting on August. It's last year on August about Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she have got a conversation with their daughter Magwande that she have to choose between where she wants to stay. We understand who she can choose about her mother or her father, or she wants to stay with her mother or her father. Mangwabe, she have got a conversation that now is the time that she can separate with her father. So Magwande, she has to choose who she wants to stay. We understand with who she wants to stay with. I think now they are already divorced, just because on social media someone posts says that Mangwabe and Musamseleko are finally divorced. But I think that time I think that it's a lie, because social media, most of the bloggers, they are lying. You understand? Just because they want likes or what. But it's true now. I can believe those that post that Mangwabe and Musamseleko are finally divorced. You understand? Those people are finally divorced. I think that because guys, there is a lot of drama now. There is a lot of drama in Museleku's family. You understand? There is a lot of drama. I think Musamseleku, when he saw those dramas, just because he wants content, you understand, he want to trend, he want content, he was avoiding to marry the number 5 when he saw there is a lot of drama. Because guys, Msamseleku, he was believing that the Mangwabe, she is staying. You understand? He was not think that those wives are, guys, are changing now, because guys, Mangwabe, she is very independent. She can leave Musamseleko at any time. Understand? Musamseleko, because Musamseleko promised Mangwabe that he is not going to marry another wife.